So let us always remember the goodness and severity of God. If the goodness of God is displayed and you abuse and abuse and abuse and abuse and abuse it, hurot na. Sama tong bata nga nakakita nga gibali ng isda. Nay, hurot ng pikas, nay. Gibali na, nay. Pag-abot sa bali, oy, you have exhausted God's goodness. Pagbali, pagbaligtad, the severity of God, you will see. The judgment of God will come. So let us put into the economy of God's goodness. Let us be careful. Maintain God's goodness. Love God's goodness. Protect